Hello to all my friends out there. And so this month I have really bought almost no food, and the reason is I was buying food for the month and I bought too much food for the month. So what I want to do is I want to eat all the food in my freezer, the meat in particular. The rest of the stuff, if it's safe and sound in the stack pile, that's fine too. But I don't like stuff hanging around too long because I used to take a lot of classes, and one of the things I learned is freezing slows the growth of microbes. It doesn't just totally arrest it, it just slows it. So I don't like my stuff hanging around too long. So okay, one of the things I'm doing, if you've been watching my videos, is I'm making 2 full-on meals a day. That would be a protein, a carb, vegetables, fruit, milk, cheese, margarine, oil, complete proteins. Okay, so what I did was I couldn't find sweet potatoes at a good price, so I bought a package of these, and I had these for like a week. If you've been watching me, you saw them, and I had hamburgers on them. I had all kinds of stuff. So I thought, for the rest of the month, I don't want to buy 10 pounds of potatoes, 10 pounds of sweet potatoes. Particularly, I can't find a good price. So I bought another one of these, and I bought one of these. And so with my meat, potatoes, rice, beans, okay, and I had 2 pounds brown rice. I like 2 pounds white rice, 2 pounds brown rice, but I want to eat this 2 pounds of brown rice, and then, I will buy 2 pounds white rice, 2 pounds brown rice, but I want to eat this first. The other ones will be in the stockpile. And then these are nice. I have a couple of these, and these are really handy. Little meat, some instant mashed potatoes. So, okay, why buy these? Well, there's a good reason. A bag of potatoes is about $3. Ooh. Oops. And these are about $3. Well, $4, counting the rice. So this can get me through the month. Okay, so this is a good thing to do if you're kind of broke and lowly, which is the story of my life. But I've accepted it. No, just kidding. Okay, so I bought these. Okay, the other thing is at Dollar Tree they had this baking mix, and I bought this because I could make you could buy Bisquick or Jiffy, but this is cheap for $1. So I bought one of these at Dollar Tree for $1. And what I like to use for this is dumplings, because I have hot dogs that I bought, so I want to make hot dogs and sauerkraut with dumplings. Or if you don't want to make dumplings, you could make mashed potatoes with sauerkraut and hot dogs or sausage. Dumplings are good on anything that has gravy. Okay, and so in the stockpile I like to keep some cereal. So the main thing you want is oatmeal. I had 2 of these, so one's still in the stockpile, and I bought these boxes for $1. And one time, I want to make mention about this while it's on my mind. One of my customers was very wealthy, and she went to one of these expensive diet doctors, and so this was her diet. Bran cereal and milk. She wanted to shape up before it was a cruise. Bran cereal and milk for breakfast, as much as you want. Vegetables and meat, any kind of vegetables you want. Any kind, potatoes, sweet potatoes, any kind of vegetables. Salads and meat. This is kind of gross. Metamucil at 4, lots of water, and vegetables and meat. Very little fruit or sugar. Anyway, so I bought this. Not going on her extreme diet, but it makes sense that these Raisin Bran cereals with milk would be a good thing to eat. Okay, so, that's that. Then, you know, I tried these cookies before, and these are really, really good. Now, the other cookies, you got more cookies. These don't have very many cookies, only about 8. But, you know, these are good, especially with tea. Okay, and here is my new picture that I dearly love. It's very cute. Okay, so now I have these. Why these? Okay, these are good. I buy these for $1, only when they're on sale for $1, but these are good. If they're the big ones, you can put hummus on them. You can dip them in any kind of dip. But what I use them for is I like to drop them in soup, put them on salads, and put them in vegetables. And I just like to eat them like chips. Okay, now for a word about the teas. Okay, what I have found is these tea assortments are really, really good. You know, I bought this one before Christmas, 96 teas at Grocery Outlet. I bought this one for $1, and I really like these assortments. But for value, when I first started the teas, and it had to be at least 6 months ago because I was still in my other apartment, I bought this one for $1, and then later on, I noticed they had these for $1. So just for $1 or $2, you can have tons of tea. And then I have some bags of fruit in my freezer, but I wanted to make sure I have enough strawberries. Okay, with just this food that I bought, I can probably make it almost through the rest of the month without spending any money. All I'll probably have to buy is maybe some milk, maybe some cottage cheese and sour cream. So, okay, that's what I bought. And, you know, really, this food I bought amounts to, let's see, well, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about $10. So this $10 is going to make it possible for me to get practically through the rest of the month without spending any money. I don't want to spend any money because, you know, I am old. I have to hoard my money like all the rest of the old people. So, okay, you guys, I'll give you a quick shot of my mind. You know, I was shopping around like crazy, and I was looking around for tea party stuff. Couldn't find any tea party stuff. Looking around for mimes. Last year I was looking for swans, for fish. So, you know, anything, you know, is hard to find when you're making a point to look for it. But not that I haven't found stuff. I have. So, okay, you guys. I posted the furs for you guys. That is crazy. I'm done with those furs. So, okay, God bless you all.